I want to draw Wukong with easy way. It's gonna be pretty. My purpose is draw him pretty and easy, so everybody can draw it. Everybody was able to draw him without any problem. So we should draw the stick. He have his own stick. You know, Wukong is really popular character in all world. I think he was in the games, in the cartoons, in the anime. It was everywhere. I think I can say it confidently. Really, he was in Naruto. You know, he was in manhwas. Right now we had the game about him, so the story have made him really well, really good. Here we making the body. He's a monkey, so you know, he's a monkey king. That's Caesar, you know, from the movie. Right there, we're making his hand with armor. So, okay, let's continue drawing his body. You know, his hands can be bigger because he's monkey. You know, they usually have little big hands. You know, it's monkey. They don't have same anatomy as we are. And tail. The one long tail. We have done it. So let's draw the legs with arm. It's gonna be easier because we don't need to draw his face actually, but everybody will know who is it because the stick, the body, arm, and other things will show us who is it. It's the easiest way to draw the character who have really hard anatomy and other things is because he really have a lot of details. They are too much, I think. The arm or the other things is too much details. Right now we're making it a little bit easier because, you know, everybody wants to draw something pretty without a lot of problems. So this is one of the way you can do it. So I think you can draw it. After we're gonna draw some good things, it's good stuff. Okay, it's the bend of half, and let's draw his arm. Actually, we have done it, so let's draw some details. They're gonna make this art a little bit better. First of all, we should draw here the mountain, the Asian, Chinese, the big mountains are so pretty. So I can imagine it, you know, they are really pretty, they are huge, and they have so many high points, really. So we draw something like this, and after we are adding some details on this art, on this picture we have done, like this, like it's rock, you know, it's rock. So we should do some details, add them. That's everything what we need to do. Just add some details right there, right here. Here, he's looking something, as you can see. And right now we're drawing the second mountain. He's bigger, he's huger. Can we say it? I don't think so, but I think it's a mistake, but I'm not confident. So right there we make it. To make it bigger, we should make some details right there and add some you know, trees on this mountain. It's gonna feel The mountain is really huge. You can see trees, they are so tiny on this mountain. And usually they have it. In China, they have really huge mountains with trees on the top. How they have it, actually, I don't know, but they're doing it without any problems. Somehow they're doing it. The texture, but I think right now it still looks like a mountain, but we should draw some details as we did right there. Just some texture, some details, some other things. I want to draw right here, closer, the second mountain. It will be a lot of closer to us, you know. Gonna make a perspective. After I will paint it, so everybody will see this mountain with trees on it. Tree. Okay. Going higher. Okay, we have done it. I will paint it. So our work is done. Right there, we can draw some clouds. Right there, something like this, you know. As the Marons have made something like this. Doesn't matter. Okay, we have done it. So I think you can able to do it. I will just paint it as black. You know, that's it. We have done it. So thank you for watching. That's it.